Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. That matters because activation fails on locked devices. Once done, open the carrier email or app with the QR or activation code and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to download profile data. Make sure you back up any important SIM settings or contacts to avoid loss. Now go into Settings and navigate to Cellular or Mobile Data to start the Add eSIM flow. That's where the process moves from prep to execution. Next, you scan the carrier QR code or manually enter the activation code. This downloads the eSIM profile. If you use the carrier app, grant permission when it requests to install a cellular profile, because the OS needs that consent to proceed. Once the profile appears, confirm the plan name and check the data and voice options. Choose primary or secondary use if you keep a physical SIM. After confirming, the phone will validate with the carrier. Watch for a success message or connection icon. To finish, restart your phone and enable the new line in cellular settings, then test a call and mobile data to confirm service. If the line doesn't connect, toggle airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then re-enable cellular. Make sure the eSIM profile is selected as active. If problems persist, remove and re-add the profile or contact your carrier with the device IMEI and eSIM EID so they can verify provisioning. A single troubleshooting tip: always check Wi-Fi or network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.